Picture yourself in the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.